Since we're in the last few months of the year, we know temperatures drop in. Many of us, snow already falling, and that means we got to get our house ready for winter, if you haven't done so already.
Yeah, Danny Lipford, he is the host of today's Homeowner. He joins us now with some tips to set you up for success this season. Danny, good to see you this morning. You know, a lot of people, me included, have turned on the heat already this year. What are some simple things homeowners can do to make their home more comfortable but still be able to save money on the bill?
Well, here's several very simple things, very inexpensive things, and it won't take you a lot of money to take care of all of these. So get ready for it. All right, first of all, close your door late at night tonight. Turn on a flashlight and have someone shine it all the way around on the outside. If you see any light anywhere at all, that means air is going to sneak in and rob you of some of your energy dollars. So make sure the door's adjusted well, make sure your weather stripping's in good shape, and the threshold or door sweep is in good shape. If you have any gap at the bottom of the door, then it's very easy to install something just like that. It just screws right on the bottom of the door to close that gap off. And if you see any damaged weather stripping at all, weather stripping is so readily available, replace it. That'll make a big difference. Also look for any cracks around doors and windows. Caulk all of that up. Caulk doesn't seem like it would really help you a lot, but they say that if you take all of the cracks in an average home and when you were able to put them together, it's the equivalent of a 3-foot by 3-foot window. It stays open all the time. Now it starts making sense. Also, if you have any outside outlets or switches on an outside wall, these are little socket sealers that you can put on the inside of the house to seal that up. Some other things too, you may have some obsolete windows. The budget hadn't allowed you to replace those old leaky windows. A window insulating kit is a very effective way of sealing out that cold air. You just have a sheet of clear plastic, you have some tape that's transparent, this double stick tape. You put that on the inside of your window, then you grab this important tool, your hair dryer, and it shrink wraps it so that you have that air pocket there that'll prevent that cold air from coming in. And we always want to remind you, make sure you change your air filter on your furnace because that's extremely important since you're going to be spending more time inside, that indoor air quality, and making sure that heating system is working as efficiently as it should be.
Hey, Danny, will you go back real quick? I've never heard of this. So the shrink wrap thing with the heat gun, you put that over your window and it shrinks to the glass, or are you trying to seal up the cracks around the window?
It basically goes on the frame of the window inside. So normally you would have the window and then the frame. So when that plastic goes out here on the inside, then you have that air gap that acts as the insulator to prevent that cold air from coming in. Everybody that I've recommended these to love it, and they use them every year.
I need to do that.
That's a good idea. All right, Danny, in about 30 seconds, can you tell us what people do, you know, I don't know, the surprising thing to you and how to save heat this winter?
Okay, you think about heat rises, right? Well, when it gets to your attic stairway, a lot of times you only have a 1/4 inch preventing that hot air from running up into the attic. Well, you need one of these. Looks like a little tent, I know that, but it's a cover for a disappearing attic stairway. And again, it does just like the window insulating kit. It provides that pocket of air between your nice warm area and going up. This will be very effective to keep you nice and comfortable this winter.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So many things. I need to be a better homeowner. Danny, thank you so much for giving us those tips. It's always good to hear from you. Again, that's Danny Lipford. He's the host of today's Homeowner. Cool show if you guys
I just want to ask him if he makes house calls.